Kulish wani pibro ta kane ka video untang and solve ya question paper jongka MPRO. Hangne haka question paper kadon tang shispa san phomak te phinapan khen mi yakane hi teng try kan khen hi yakane hi gamak amde shu la spa mar bak la ai tang shispa san pho. Okay, dengan stang question number part 1 general English. General English. Okay. No sooner did she arrive, they dash this is A done. They start laughing. The head of the pigeon had been blown away with a rifle. Do you have dash book focusing on this word? Do you have any book focusing on this word? And 4, 5. I asked around, but nobody had seen. C is the correct answer. 5. They will be. This all will be. Some question are same for the UB and AB also. Okay. 6. Change the given sentence into indirect speech. Amit say, I have lost all my book. So the correct answer here is Amit say that he has lost all his book. A. 6 is A. 6. 7. Change the given sentence into direct speech. He said he was going out. Correct answer is number C. He said I am going out. 7. 8. Change the given sentence into active voice. Let it be done at once. Correct answer is D. Do it at once. Change the given sentence into passive voice. Everyone love him. He is loved by everyone. So the correct answer is D. 10. I had to admit dash completely forgotten or waiting under C. This 10. I had to admit to having completely forgotten or waiting under C. So it is C. You can count 11 on me. D. 12. Dash to my political rival statement. The data revealed that crime has not increased in the state. This accepting reference assisting is all similar, so it's contrary to my political rival statement. Okay, contrary is the correct answer. 13. If you are caught using a calculator in the exam, then it will be confiscated. B is the correct answer. Okay, this. Choose the word which conveys opposite meaning, same meaning. Or opposite meaning mean opposite, not the same. Opposite meaning. Lawful, unlawful, peculiar, this is common, bereft, this is enrich, quit, this is occupy, quit, it is occupy, perform, this would be D, I think. Abstain. Perish. This is crumble, disappear, same, and D is the correct answer. Improve. Perish is improve. Because you have to perish, gone, then you have to improve. Yeah. And 20. 20 with a similar meaning. Precarious. This is dangerous. B is the correct answer. Dangerous. Courteous is A, affable. Predicament, this is B, deadlock. Discipline, this is D, method. You should have a method to be disciplined. No? Integrity, number 24. Integrity is probity. 25. Prediction, this is forecast. Okay, complete. 24 or 25. Then yes, Then part 2, mathematics, arithmetic and elementary science. 26. This one you have to just to count the number on decimal point. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 4 12. So this is D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. I don't come on Kenshu. I don't need to calculate, so I will go directly with answer. If the sum of two numbers is 16, their product is 63. What is the larger number? Here the larger number is 9. 9 into 7, 63. 9 plus 7, 16. Yes, 9. And this, if you calculate number 28, if you calculate number 28, it is 4096. 4096. And 29, the total investment of 5 lakh, B share is 20%. What is A share? 29 is D, 40,000. 30, if the cost of 12x is 40, what will be the cost of 3x? It is 10. Square of 400 is 20. Sum of three consecutive even number is 28. This is 28. What come next in the sequence? What come next in the sequence? This is correct answer here. 1 1 2 6 24. This correct answer is 120. 34. Suppose 1000 is deposited. Suppose 1000 is deposited into a saving account that earns compound interest at the rate of 5000. How much it will be? It will be in the account after 2 years if the interest is compounded annually. 34. Correct answer is number A, 1102.50. 35. What is sum of number 1 2 3 4 9 9 200? It is 50 50. B, 5050. 36. In the class of 60 students, the ratio of boys to girls is to how many girls are there in the class? This is D, 24. This is the correct answer. Then what is the average? The average 37. This correct answer is 7 is the average. 38. Which of the following is a prime number? This is correct. 19. Which of the following is not conductor of electricity? This is I think it's silicon, because graphite and aluminum also is a conductor of electricity. Silicon. Deficiency of vitamin D result in rickets. 40. Then 41. COVID-19 is caused by, this is virus. The position of element irreproducible is the number of, I think is P protons. 42 is P proton. The sun is and this is a star. The average adult has about volume of about, this question is wrong. How it is the blood they have the electron, the proton? This question is wrong. 44 is wrong. Okay, 44 is wrong. 45, the most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. Which of the following is used in pencil? Pencil is graphite. The most abundant element the earth crust is oxygen. Is oxygen. 48, which of the following is not a wireless data transmission method? This is none of the above. None of the above. 48, 49, 50. Electric bulb filament is made of, this is tungsten. The source of energy basically is from the sun. And then last part 3, general knowledge. As per the matrilineal society of Meghalaya, which daughter inherit all the property and take care of each parent and any unmarried sibling? Youngest daughter. Which district is Dauki located? It is West Jaintia Hill district. Cherry blossom in Meghalaya during which season? This is autumn season. Autumn season. Which is the longest cave in Meghalaya? This one is Krem Liatpra. D. What is the longest border of Meghalaya with Bangladesh? Answer is 443 kilometer. What is the height of Shillong Peak above sea level? Is around 1960. So it is C is the correct answer. 1966. 56. 57. Which national park of Meghalaya is included in the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? So this is in Garo Hill, Balpagram National Park. 58. Which autonomous district council does Tura fall in? Tura is Garo, Garo is GHADC. What is the vehicle registration code for Meghalaya Police? Meghalaya Police ML02. 60. Which famous river flowed through Bagmara? Simsang River. Where is Nokkalikai Fall located? Nokkalikai is in East Khasi Hill. Who is the current Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court? This is Sanjeev Banerjee. Okay, 62. Then 63. AFSPA stand for this Armed Forces Special Power Act. In number A. Armed Forces Special Power Act. Armed Forces Special Power Act. And who is the governor of Meghalaya? This is Satyapal Malik. Which schedule of Constitution of India protect tribal population? This tribal population is 6th schedule. Tura is the district headquarters of West Garo Hill. 12th district of Meghalaya is Eastern West Khasi Hill. Provision as to disqualification on the ground of defection is described in the Dutch Constitution of India. 10th schedule Constitution of India. 68. NPP stand for everyone know this, National People Party. Meghalaya Police is headed by this also DG, Director General Police. District Police Chief in Meghalaya is SP, Superintendent of Police. 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Conrad Konkol Sangma. Raksam Gray is a subdivision. For how many constituencies by election? By election last year is 3. CAA stand for Citizenship Amendment Act. It is this. Okay, thank you.